Good morning students. Today we are entering into new chapter which is more on multiplication. So you know a 2-digit number, 3-digit number, you know to add the numbers, you know to subtract those two numbers, and you have learned multiplication also. You know to multiply the row wise and the column wise. So here we are going to learn more on multiplication. Here what you will learn is multiply by tens and then multiplying a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number and a 2-digit number. So these and all only we are going to see here. So first of all we shall see to multiply by tens. So already you know this one, how to multiply by row wise and a column wise. Here see how many stars are there. You will count the numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer will be 8 only. Here how many stars are there? 8 stars. For multiplication, how will you multiply the row and column alone? You will calculate, right? So here how many rows are there? 2 rows are there. So here we have to write as 2. And how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 columns. Now you have to multiply 4 and 2. So the answer is 4 2s are 8. You have learnt multiplication tables up to 10th table. No, here we are writing for the second table. 4 2s are 8 or 2 4s are 8. So the answer for this is 8. And now see here. Now only we are entering into multiply by tens. So here see how many rows are there. Count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here 20 stars in the row wise. So how many stars in the row wise? 20 stars. Here in first row 20 stars are there. And here how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. The column wise 4 stars. So as the same here see. The number here you will multiply these two numbers. You have to multiply these two numbers. You will get the answer. So here multiply by tens means it's very easy only. Here see 4 2. Here also 4 2. Extra one 0 alone is there. So which is mean by tens. You know to skip the number by tens, no? The same thing only. Here which is 20. 20 means in the ones place see here 0 and it has tens. Okay, here having tens. So 420. What will be the answer is here first number alone multiply. 4 2s are 8. No, here also 4 2s are 8 and just add the 0 in the last place. In the ones place you have to write the 0 and multiply these two numbers alone. 4 and 2 alone you have to multiply. So what will be the answer? 4 2s are 8. Here only 1 0 is there. No, so you have to write 0 at the last. So the answer is 80. So while you are adding all the stars, you will get the answer as 80. Or you count the numbers, you will get as 80. So multiplication, what is multiplication? Repeated addition is a multiplication. So here see, here while you are counting the stars in the row wise, you are having 20 stars. In the column wise, 4 stars are there. So while you are multiplying this, you will get the answer as 80. So here the shortcut is you have to write the 0 in the last place and you have to multiply the numbers alone. Here 1-digit number and this 1-digit number, you should not see to the 0 because since no, it's a shortcut only. So here 2 is there. So 4 2s are 8 and here 0 is there. Here I have written 0 in the last place. So here this is mean by multiply by tens. You are multiplying by tens. Here 4 20s are 80 and here 4 2s are 8. So same thing only. The numbers are same. Here also numbers are same. Here extra 1 0 alone is there. It has a tens place. So you have to write 0 in the last place. So this is a way of finding the answer for multiplying by tens. Very easy method only. So for example, I am giving see 3 into 50. So what will be the answer? First you have to multiply for 3 and 5. 3 and 5 alone you multiply and find the answer and then at last you have to write the 0. 3 5s are 15 and now multiply this. Same thing only. 3 5s are 15. No, write as 15. The last place you will write as 0. So in this exercise you will see to this only. Now see to exercise problem 11.1. The first one is look at the pictures and complete the multiplication sentence and see to the picture and you have to write the multiplication sentence. This is what they have given here and see to the picture. The first picture, what is that? There are two columns and 2 rows. The picture you are visible, no? There are 2 rows and 2 columns. So you have to write as 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4. And the next nearby column you are going to find the picture and you are going to write the multiplication sentence. First look at the picture what is given there and see to the row wise and the column wise and multiply those two numbers and you will get the answer. And nearby that picture you are going to find the row and columns and you are going to write the multiplication sentence. This is for multiply by tens. You are going to find for the tens one, multiply by tens. And I have written for this 2 2s are 4. And see to the next question. Complete the multiplication sentence. So here few questions are given for you. The multiplication sentence is given and you are going to find the answer for this. You are going to fill the blank one. And here first question what is given here? 2 5s are. What is 2 5s are? 2 5s are 10. And next one see here 0 is here. So in the last place write as 0 and here you have written as 10, no? 2 5s are 10. Here also the number see 2 5s are 10. So write here as 10. So the answer is 100. And next one see 1 6 is 6. 1 6 are 6. And here 10 6 are. This is by tens only, multiplying by tens. And here 1 0, so write last place as 0 and remaining 1 6 is 6. And see to the next problem. Here everything are the same thing only. So I am doing few problems and you are going to do the rest of the things. So first one, here 7 3s are. What is 7 3s are? Is 21. And here also see 70 into 3. The numbers are same. Here by tens it is given. So in the last place write as 0. This 0 is written in the last place. Only 1 0 is written here. So write 0 there in the last place. So multiply 7 into 3. Already we have multiplied, no? So now write as 21. So answer is 210. 70 into 3 is 210. And this one see 2 8s are. What is 2 8s are? 2 8s are 16. And here you will write 0 in the last place. 20 into 8 is there, no? So in the last place you will write a 0 and next you have already multiplied the number as 16. 2 into 8 is 16. So here 2 into 8 is 16. So the answer for 20 into 8 is 160. And the remaining 4 problems you are going to do as your homework. 4 into 3. 40 into 3. Just multiply this number and write here. You know the multiplication table up to 10th table, no? So multiply these two numbers and write the answer. And here 0 is here. Multiplying by tens it is. So write 0 in the last place and multiply 4 and 3. Already we have multiplied. So you can write the answer here. So this also 9 into 9, 90 into 9. And here 3 2s are, 32s are, 8 4s are and 84s are. So you are going to fill the remaining problems. And see to the next problem what is given here. Write the products of the multiplication sentence given in the circle. In the circle the multiplication sentence is that you are going to fill that one. Then color each part of the circle according to the code given in the table. See here in this table code is given. Answers are given there. According to that answer we have to color that circle. So now I am doing for 20 into 9. What is 20 into 9? Is 180. So 2 9s are 18 and that 0 is there, no? So you have to write that 0 in the last place. So 180. So see to the code now. So in the code what is given there? Color, green color is given. So we have to give that as green color. And above that see what is given 6 into 8. So 6 8s are 48. Now check to the code which is below last above see 48 is given, no? 48 means the color should be in brown color. So give it a color in brown. In that circle you have to give in brown color. So likewise you have to do for the remaining all the problems in the circle. You have to fill all the one and you have to give the color for each of the circles there. Now we shall see how to multiply a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number and by a 2-digit number. So now for first thing we shall see how to multiply a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number and then we can see for a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number. So for example 24 into 2. 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. So first you need to learn up to 10th table, then only it is easy for doing this 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. So here how we have to write the number 24 as 20 plus 4. 20 plus 4 is 24 only, no? So there is no change. So you have to write as 20 plus 4 at first. Then you have to write as 2. The row wise and column wise you have to write. So here first we can learn by a box method, okay? And then later on how to multiply, like that I will say for you. So first 24 into 2. First I have to split this number as 20 and 4. The row wise and column wise you have to write. First 24 as 20 plus 4, which is 24. There is no change in this number. And here 2, no, you have to write the 2 here. Now you have to, what you have to do is you have to multiply the numbers 2 into 20 and 2 into 4. You have to multiply that. So how, where you have to write that answer is 2 into 20 is 40. First you have to multiply the numbers and then write the 0. Or first itself write the 0 in the last place. Here you have to write. Multiply these two numbers and write the answer here. And multiply 2 and 4 and write here. So first 2 20s are 40 I said. So here write the 0 in the last place and multiply these two numbers around. 2 into 2 is 4. So it is easy for you, no? So next you have to multiply 2 and 4. What is 2 into 4? 2 4s are 8. And now how will you find the answer is 40 plus 8. You have to add these two numbers. First multiply and write the answer here. Like this you have to multiply and you have to write the answer in the 2 box. Here 2-digit number by a 1-digit number means should be only 2 boxes here. So 40 plus 8. Here you should not multiply. Here you have to add the numbers. So 40 plus 8 is 48. In the ones place 8 will be there and the tens place 4 is here. You know to add the numbers, no? This thing in the ones place, this is ones and this is ones and here this is tens place. So 0 plus 8 is 8 and in the tens place here no tens place. So you will write as 4 here. So the answer is 48. 24 into 2 is 48. So very easy only to multiply the numbers. So this is by box method. So by the places how we can multiply the numbers. See here ones and tens. Why I am writing up to tens? Here we are having 2-digit number, no? So I am writing up to tens place. So then write the number 24. 4 in ones and 2 in tens. And here 2. 2 in the ones place only. 2 in ones and multiply. Give the multiplication symbol. For multiplication have to write the symbol first. And now what you have to do is ones place and the ones place. First you have to multiply ones place and the ones place. And then tens place and the ones place you have to multiply. So 4 2s are 8. First you have to multiply in the ones place. And then only in the tens and the ones you have to multiply. And here 2 2s are tens place and the ones place you have to multiply. 2 2s are 4. You have to write the number here. Here you are multiplying the tens place only, no, tens and the ones. So you have to write in the tens place. So the answer is 48. So this is for multiplying a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. This is a 2-digit number and this is a 1-digit number. 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. So you know to find by the box method and by the place value chart also you will be able to find the answer. And now we shall find for 2-digit number by a 2-digit number. So see here 12 into 12. It is a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number. So here how will I draw the boxes? First draw a single box and then give a cross sign in between. So you can split the box into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this you have to draw the box. And here take the first number 12. You are going to split the number as the same I have done here. 20 plus 4 I have written, no? The same thing for here also. 12 into 12 is, here take the first number 12. How will you split that number? 10 plus 2. You have to split that number as 10 plus 2. So now here 10 plus 2 which is 12 and here also same only. Here also same number, no? So write that number 10 plus 2. So how you have to multiply is the same way as we have multiplied these two and this. The same process only here. First multiply these two numbers and then this and this and here 2 and 10 and here 2 and 2. You have to multiply and you have to fill in the box. First you have to multiply and write the number here, these two numbers here, and then multiply and write the number here. This and this should be multiplied and you have to fill the number here. And here see 2 into 10. You have to multiply these two numbers and you have to write the answer here. And here you have to multiply these two numbers and you have to write the answer here. So now multiply and see. Here 2 zeros are here. If there are 2 zeros means you have to write 2 zeros in the answer also. So here 0 0, 2 zeros you have to fill. There are 2 zeros. Here 1 0 is there. Here 1 0 is there. So you have to write 2 zeros in the answer. And then here multiply these two numbers. 1 1 is 1. 1 1 is 1. So answer here is 100. 10 into 10 is 100. And here you have to multiply 10 and 2. So here only 1 0 is there, no? So in the last place you have to write a 0. And now multiply 1 and 2. 1 2s are 2. And next here 2 and 10 should be multiplied. Here only 1 0 is there, no? So you have to write only 1 0 in this place and multiply 2 and 1. 1 2 1s are 2. And here 2 2s are 4. So now how to find the answer is like the same way as we have added these two numbers, no? 40 plus 8. We have added these two numbers, 40 plus 8 is 48. We have found here, no? The same way for here also. You have to add all the numbers. As we have added these two numbers, here also the same thing. These four numbers should be added. So how will you add 100 plus 20 plus 20 plus 4? I will say by simple method how to add, and the normal way how we have already learned, that one I will teach you now. So here in the ones place, see, take the last place which is the ones, 0 0 0 and here 4. So in the ones place it will be 4, and here no tens place. Here tens place is here 2, here tens place 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4, and here in the tens place 0. So in the tens place what will be there? Here 4 we have got, no? 2 plus 2 is 4 and here 0 is there. So the answer will be 4 plus 0 is 4. And now here in the hundreds place there is no hundreds place. Here there is no hundreds place. Here also no hundreds place, and here 1 is there in the hundreds place. So write the number as 1 here. So in the already how we have learned how to add the numbers, the same way only in the straight way I have taught you. And here by the place value chart, how will you add? You will give the places and then you will add, right? In the first in the ones place, then tens in the hundreds place. The same way only I have done here. So in the ones place it is 4. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4 in the tens place, and here in the hundreds place 1. The same thing only. By this way also you can add. By this way also you can add. So here the answer is 144. 12 into 12 is 144. So in the normal way, like this place value chart, how will you multiply? We can see now, okay. So first you have to give the places, ones and tens. Here 2-digit number only, no? So you are writing up to tens place. So now write the numbers, 12 into 12. Now multiply first in the ones place and the ones place. 2 2s are 4, and then 1 2 is 2. You have to write here only. In the ones place you have multiplied, no? So you are writing in the ones place. Here you have multiplied the tens place, no? You have to write in the tens place. Tens place and the ones place. So 2. First ones place and the ones place, and the tens place and the ones place we have multiplied. So 24 we have got. 2 2s are 4 and 1 2 is 2 we have written here. And now next thing is ones place and the tens place. So here tens place is the second, no? So you have to start from only the tens place. You should not write here. You should not write the number here. So for your identification, draw star here, or you can give a wrong sign. So we should not write the number here after multiplying this one. So now you have to multiply the number ones place and the tens place number. So 2 ones are 2. You have to write here only. First we have multiplied to the ones place. No, now we have to multiply for the tens place. So 2 ones are 2 and then next tens and the tens. So you have to write the next place only. 1 ones are 1. So now you have to add these two numbers. First we have multiplied and we have written here, and now we have to add these two numbers. What we have done first in the ones place and the ones place and the tens place and the ones place. We have written here ones place and the ones place 2 2s are 4 and the tens place 1 2s are 2, and here ones place and the tens place we are multiplying, so we should not write here. So 2 ones are 2 and in the tens place 1 ones are 1. So now we have to add these two numbers. So here 4, consider this number as 0. You don't need to take this number. You can directly write the number 4. Here there is no number. We should not write the number in this place. In the second place you should not write that. Below that you should not write 0 or any number should not be written there. So directly write as 4 down. And here in the tens place 2 2s are 4 and in the hundreds place 1 is there. So the answer is 144 by box method, and by the place value chart we have seen. So the exercise problems you are going to see in the next class. Thank you students.